the bathroom. Master bathroom, small space, and here's the remodeled bathroom. Master bathroom, small space. Everything's gonna be replaced in this bathroom. Floor, vanity, toilet, mirror, deco light, medicine cabinet. Everything has been replaced in this bathroom. New tile floor, new vanity, new toilet, new mirror, deco light, medicine cabinet. We're gonna delete that wainscot there. Skim coat, texture match, paint. The tiled wainscot has been deleted, texture match, and painted. Here is the shower. We have a float behind this 4x4 ceramic. And here is the new shower. Waterproofing is Schluter Curdy board, Schluter pan drain kit. 100% waterproofed shower. Floated curb. Low profile Schluter curb, capped off with quartz. And floated dry pack about 2 inches. And cut flat river rock for the shower pan with a brushed nickel Schluter drain grate. We're going to replace the valve, raise the shower head. Mixing valve has been replaced. Raise the shower head. Tile to the ceiling. Recessed shampoo niche in the back. Tile to the ceiling and installed a 12 by 20 inch recessed niche. Decorative glass in the back. Schluter jolly mitered at the left and right, as well as manufactured quartz. Is our budget-friendly cabinet. 250 bucks, one piece Corian top. Very easy to clean and maintain. Soft close drawer and 2 doors underneath. We also installed this medicine cabinet, 50 bucks off the shelf, Lowe's, and the toilet is in by Penguin. This has an overflow protection. Okay, we have the backsplash in, our beveled mirror in, decorative light in, medicine cabinet, moving on over here, drilling our holes to install our semi-frameless shower doors. These are the bits that we use. We always buy a few of these at a time, made by Bosch. These burn out really quick with this hard porcelain, so we start with the smallest to get our pilot hole started and then bore it out depending on the size of your screw. Silicone. There you have it. This budget bathroom build is done and complete. As usual, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell notification if you like the video, tap like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.